Assalamu alaikum to all my brothers and sisters. Today we are going to know how to practice Islam for beginners. First, there are a very bad conception in market about Islam that this is very hard religion. How can we maintain 5 daily prayers, Akhi, and read Quran daily? And there are lots of restrictions in it that you can't do this, and lot of this, and give zakat, give sadqah, do good, deeds, blah blah. To all my brothers and sisters, this is not true at all. You have to throw out this thought from your mind, because Islam is the most easiest and peaceful religion in this universe, and in the authentic Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 7392, our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, said that if you learn 99 names of Allah and believes in their meaning and acts accordingly, you will enter Jannah. Look how simple is that. Does any religion give you that people spread false information about my religion? So my ummah, be ready to become the best Muslim in this lost generation. Be unique, be different, and be Jannati. Guys, we are also uploading Sahih Bukhari Hadiths in our channel. Go watch it. It will increase your knowledge and boost your deen and good deeds. And in the Hadith, Allah says, take 1 step toward me, I will take 10 steps towards you. Walk towards me, I will run towards you. This is the introduction part. Other parts are coming soon. Till then, Jazakallah khair, Allah hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.